So if you own a 2022 plus Subaru WRX and you don't want to spend a ton of money on upgrading your steering wheel, but you want to get rid of the boring steering wheel that we have, well, in today's video, I'm installing the JXR Performance carbon fiber steering wheel overlay cover kit, which basically is 3 individual carbon fiber covers that go over parts of our steering wheel to make it look more aggressive, much more exciting, more interesting, just improve the overall look of the steering wheel. It also makes it not the same steering wheel that goes in basically every other Subaru under the sun. So it just makes it different. It's a very inexpensive kit. I've just got it listed on the website. I've been spending some time developing it. Again, it's a little different from any of the competitors. One of the big standouts with the kit is I've made sure that there are many coatings of clear coat on this, just because the steering wheel is a high UV exposed area. So, I mean, if you've had carbon fiber parts in the past, you know that UV is not your friend, and it comes down to the clear coat. So that's one of the big differences with these. It has pre-applied 3M tape on the back. It literally just sticks on. So I'll show you guys how to install them, and then we'll do some B-roll so you can take a look at what they look like on the steering wheel themselves. And there is a discount link in the description for you guys if you support the channel. And let's get it on the car. So our steering wheel kit, and I wish I had less of a zoom on my camera, but our steering wheel kit's gonna go here, here, and here, but let it cut out for the WRX. Let's get it installed. So there's no great way to get a good view on the steering wheel for this install, so we're just gonna go ahead and do it. You just wanna test fit your pieces before you put them on. Quick test fit. Then we're gonna take off the 3M tape. First piece in, and then we're going to just slowly put it on the steering wheel. It'll be perfect fit, so you don't really have to wiggle it around. Just a mild amount of pressure. First one's on. We'll do the second wing next. All right, we're gonna put the second wing on. And then lastly, will be the lower frame. Just test fit it. Fits great. Let's take off the 3M tape. 3M tape's off. We're just gonna slide it in. It'll fit perfectly. There's no wiggle. And then we're just gonna put some pressure on it and it'll be adhered. All right, we're on. And here we have the steering wheel kit installed. I gotta say, it makes such a difference. It adds quite a lot to the steering wheel itself. Even just the gloss, the contrast, looks really good with some of the other carbon fiber bits around. I will say, huge difference. I didn't have to fully upgrade the steering wheel. Just makes it different from every other Subaru out there. And yeah, it looks pretty dang good. Nice gloss coat on it as well. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you do want some of our carbon fiber parts from JXR Performance, if you want a reminder, I do own JXR Performance, so I design and produce and do all the parts myself. It's a great way to support the channel, but we do have something, we do have a bundle of all of our carbon fiber parts. We have one with just the interior parts and then one with the interior parts and the side view mirrors. It is a massive amount of savings if you are considering the carbon fiber parts. So definitely take a look at that in the channel. The discount code in the description of this video also works for that bundle, and it is a pretty significant amount of savings. So just if you're interested, it's a great way to save some money. The whole point of these parts are to be the cheapest on the market, the highest quality, and just make it easier for you guys to mod your car. So I appreciate you supporting the channel by watching the video. If you choose to put one of these parts in your car, it also helps support the channel, and I really appreciate that. And I'd love feedback on the parts in the description below, on the website, via email. I'd just like to hear that you guys are enjoying the parts that I spend my time making. So I'll see you guys in the future. Thanks for watching the video, and take a look for the next video coming to the channel.